Hey, it's Mike Too Smooth, and we're back for another episode of Mixing in the Kitchen. Today, we are doing Spanish rice. This is a side dish you can mix with all kind of things, and it's very popular. Stay tuned so I can show you how to make it.
Mixing in the kitchen. Mixing in the kitchen.
That's my man throwing down.
The ingredients for the Spanish rice recipe are 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 garlic clove, 1/3 of an onion, a handful of cilantro, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Right, first things first, making your Spanish rice, you want to add the vegetable oil or olive oil. I prefer olive. Also the garlic and the piece of onion. Move that around a little bit. This always gives the rice a great flavor. Some people put garlic powder. I prefer to use the piece of garlic, cut it in half if you want. It's the onion has layers, so you can move it around, get them a little brown. And you want to add your rice right away. We're using 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of rice equals double for water. So we want to make sure we get this rice to where it browns. You want a color on it. You want to make sure that it browns before you add any other ingredients. So we will be right back. Alright, now that our rice is a little brown, you don't want to burn it. You want to make sure not to burn the rice. You want to have it toasty enough right before you add your can of tomato sauce. Also, fill 1 can of tomato sauce with water before you add your other 4 cups. Don't forget this step. There you go. Move everything around. Let the flavor settle in. And now, it's where we add the other 4 cups. Now, after you add the 4 cups of water, you want to make sure to add your salt. Usually be a tablespoon or to taste, as well as your chicken bouillon. This is what gives it the flavor. Some people add a couple different things at this point, which doesn't make it the authentic recipe that I know. Other people will add certain things for coloring, but it will not be needed as long as you follow these steps. So now that all the ingredients are added, we're going to make sure to wait until the rice comes to a boil. Alright, now that it's boiling, the last step I like to do, instead of adding it with the other ingredients, is add a little bit of cilantro and mix it around. And just smell the flavor. I wish you guys were here and being able to smell that flavor. After this, make sure everything together, and we're going to cover it and lower it to the lowest setting and leave it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, do not touch it. Don't move it, don't uncover it. This is do not touch time. 30 minutes from now. We will be back in 30 minutes. Alright, we are ready to show you the rice. Oh yeah. little bit, not too much, just to kind of fluff around. It's been 25 minutes, so we'll shut down the heat and leave it covered for another couple minutes. That way it soaks up any excess water that may still be inside. Alright, 25 minutes cooking at the lowest setting, 5 minutes with no heat. Let's see what we got. Look how beautiful that looks. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe and had a very rice day. But remember, preparation is a must. Nothing can be missing. See you on the next episode of Mixing in the Kitchen.